has a large bedside repair right here. One little trick, just to make sure this looks good before I Now I have another Dodge Ram. This one has a large bedside repair right here. You can see whenever I hold the taillight up to it, you can see how far in it is all throughout this area. Luckily, I have good access to get back behind it, so I'm going to start working it out with some different PDR tools to try to work it back into shape. This one's looking very good. There's just a couple little spots and I'm going to put a thin coat on. So I went ahead and fit this tail light up just one last time to make sure it lines up good and all of my gaps look good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the tail light back out, get this one taped up and get it primed up. One little trick, just to make sure this looks good before I send it to paint, you could wet it down with wax and grease remover, and it kind of acts as a clear coat so you can see if there's any imperfections in the panel. Everything looks very nice on this one though. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it and send it on over to our paint department.